update here. I installed a brand new fuel filter on this bike. The old one was leaking, so I replaced it. Also, I added a couple nylon washers right there, if you can see them, little bitty washers. I also had a leak right there. I had a rubber washer there, and it was leaking, so I took that off. I tried putting in just metal on metal. That didn't work either, so I'm switching to the nylon washers, and between those two things, I fixed both of the leaks. So there was 2 leaks, fixed them both. I think we're good. I forgot to mention this. The Duralast fuel filter. This is the model I got and installed. So far so good, no leaking. It seems to be fairly high quality. I haven't really ridden it around too much, but so far so good. Okay, something I forgot to mention in the previous video was that I neglected to Loctite the rear sprocket, and one of the bolts just straight up fell out. A bunch of them came really loose, and that ultimately resulted in a trashed back wheel. It pulled out 2 spokes and trashed the holes they came out of, so I need to buy a new wheel. I did buy a new wheel, so I got one on order. It should be here in a couple days. The rest of it's fine, like the tire itself is fine, so I just waiting on a new wheel for that. I also did some cable management here. I added those Velcro ties, kind of some to hold this in. It was kind of sticking out a little far, so. I guess I had this one on somewhere else, like maybe it was over I don't remember where this one was, but at any rate, it's probably need to just put it there. Oh great, now I'm getting stuff all on my fingers. It's kind of leaking a little bit, but not bad, so I don't know if I just need to, I don't know what the deal is with that. If it's something I should worry about fixing, or if I should just ignore it. But it seems to be okay. There's just a little bit of leakage here and there. It's not like dripping out great gobs of fluid. So that's the bike for now. I'll post an update later, let you know how it's going. I've been tightening down all of the bolts religiously now, especially the head bolts. I've had them be loose on me a couple times, so I tightened them down. So yeah, that's where I'm at with the bike. Thanks for watching. Please give it the old thumbs up if you liked it, and if you didn't, well, I appreciate you for watching anyway.